Kevin Herman reading for Apollodorus.
Mitch Owens reading for Zenas.
I'm Jeremy Johnson. I'm reading for Alcibiades and the narrator. Scene 5. Street in Athens. Apollodorus is walking along when Zenas rushes upon him from behind, excited.
Apollodorus, where have you been? I've been looking for you all afternoon. Did you hear the news?
I've been running errands and had appointments all day. What news? Oh, yeah, about your friend, the philosopher. It's all over town about how his charming wife gave him a pretty good drubbing in the marketplace. Again.
No, that's old news. I mean, the latest news.
My God, she finally killed him! Yippee! I made a huge bet with Aristodemus about that a while ago. Yes! By Zeus, that's the best news I've had all day. Now I don't have to worry about that damn horse racing debt anymore. I have to run and get my money.
No, that's not it. She didn't kill him, for God's sake.
Oh, she didn't?
No! She challenged him to a debate tomorrow at the town center. And listen to this. If she wins, he's agreed to give up philosophy. If he wins, she's promised to stop being such an unbearable old hag. Everybody's gonna be there, the whole town.
I can imagine. They're probably hoping it'll turn into another one of their brawls. Hey, maybe she'll do him in yet. Maybe right there at the debate tomorrow.
You're hopeless. But come on, follow me. Agathon is having a party tonight for Socrates, a pre-victory celebration.
Isn't that just a bit premature?
Not at all. You don't really think she'll win, do you? But we want to do everything we can to help cheer Socrates on to victory. The dinner's probably over by now, but the after-dinner drinking and philosophy should just be getting started. Come on, let's go.
Okay.